I am tremendously grateful. All the people in the Baja team have inspired me in many ways to work harder and to actually think in ways that I haven't thought about before.
Now I've learned about design, engineering, about other ends of manufacturing.
The Baja experience has helped me a lot. Be able to come here and really work hands-on and really push my limits has helped made me a well-rounded individual.
It has literally shaped my entire career thus far. I got involved with Baja the very first week of school here, and I saw the car out in the parking lot, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. They built a race car. This is what I want to do. I want to build a race car.
Right about now, the car just got stripped down, and we basically assessed what needs replaced, what spares we have, and what we need to manufacture. So we have a really good idea of what we need to do between now and the race.
The knowledge that I've gained in this room alone and in this shop, I wouldn't change a single thing. I wouldn't do an hour less of anything in this shop.
To be able to work on this car so we could be able to race, we love that more than we care about going to the beach, for instance.
When we go to the endurance race, it's rough, there's obstacles. We're going to be having to deal with holding the car up and keeping it from breaking while being able to drive fast.
It's the most stressful, there's so much happening, and you have to be on top of your game.
Once you get out there for a certain amount of time, fatigue sets in. Your back aches, your arms are tired, your skin starts tearing open from grabbing the wheel and getting wet. You can barely breathe because your throat's full of dust. When times get tough and failure seems inevitable, your back is screaming at you. It's not just being tough that gets you through that. It's not ignoring that. But knowing that you've got the support of a team, faculty, and the college community behind us is what pulls us through. It comes down to our car being well engineered, well built, and the drivers that can make it through the track without breaking the car. I couldn't be more proud of this team and what we've done.